CPCL Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited recruitment for various vacancies. It's a job vacancy 2022. It's a job for freshers. Before we get into this notification, I request you all to have a look into the latest job update playlist so that you'll be having an edge of what are the recent notifications out there. The link for the latest job update playlist will be given in the eye icon or at the end screen of the video. Please do click it and check it. CPCL Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited recruitment for non-executive personnel. So the vacancies are junior engineer assistant in different departments like production, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, and also junior engineer trainee, and also in the department of fire and safety. So there are some vacancies for which there is no experience required. So junior engineer assistant production, the number of vacancies are 7, out of which 7 for unreserved, 3 for OBC, 2 for SC, and 1 for EWS, 2 for SC. So in the production department, junior engineer assistant trainee, 16 vacancies, 8 for unreserved, 4 for OBC, 1 for SC, 2 for EWS, 1 for OBC. And in the department of mechanical, junior engineer assistant, there are 4 vacancies for unreserved, total 1 for unreserved, 1 for EWS, 1 for OBC. And for junior engineer assistant mechanical, 5 vacancies total, 2 for unreserved and 1 for OBC, 1 for SC, and 1 for PWD. Junior engineer assistant electrical, 4 vacancies are there, total 4 vacancies of unreserved category. And for electrical junior engineer assistant trainee, there are 4 vacancies, 3 for unreserved and 1 for SC, and as well as 1 for EWS category. And junior engineer assistant in the instrumentation, junior engineer assistant instrumentation, this is the post code CPCL 07, junior engineer assistant instrumentation. The number of vacancies are 3 vacancies total, and 2 for unreserved and 1 for SC category. And junior engineer assistant trainee, so the post code is CPCL 08, junior engineer assistant trainee, 2 vacancies total, that 2 for unreserved. And junior engineer assistant in mechanical, that is junior engineer assistant mechanical trainee, 2 vacancies, 2 for unreserved. Total of 72 vacancies are there in this notification, and these 72 vacancies will be filled with this notification recruitment process. The link for this will be given in the description box. Please do check it. Just click the link so that you will be directed to the official website. And the age criteria, there is also some relaxation. Age criteria, the upper age limit for the postcode of CPCL is 30 years, and for some postcode is 26 years for unreserved category, and also 5 years relaxation for SC/ST, and for SC category 5 years relaxation, for OBC 3 years relaxation, for PWD 10 years relaxation, for ex-serviceman 3 years subject to maximum of 50 years. So this is the criteria for relaxation in different categories. Now coming to the qualification, what is the qualification required for various vacancies? For this post code CPCL 01, junior engineer assistant production, junior engineer assistant for production, the qualification required is 3 years diploma in chemical, petroleum, petrochemical engineering tech, or BSc with chemistry as a major subject from the recognized university or institute, with at least 60% of marks and also 55% of marks for SC and PWD category against the reserve positions. But in order to apply for this one, junior engineer assistant for production, so you need to have 2 years experience in the relevant discipline and in the process of refining, that is in the chemical stream. But in order to apply for junior engineer assistant trainee, there is no experience required. As you can see here, no experience is required. So junior engineer assistant production, that is trainee, 3-year diploma candidates can apply for this vacancy without any experience. And also for all the junior engineer assistant trainees, there is no experience required, and the junior engineer assistant, there is experience of 2 years required in the relevant field of either mechanical or chemical or production or instrumentation. Now the post code is CPCL 03. This is a junior engineer assistant in mechanical stream. The qualification required is 3-year diploma in mechanical stream with 60% at least, and also 2 years experience in the relevant field, that is maintenance of rotary equipment such as process pumps, compressors, turbines, stationary equipment such as boilers, heat exchangers. So these are all the things required to apply for the CPCL 03 postcode. For the postcode of CPCL 04 Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee, no experience is required. And also the qualification required is 3 years degree, that is a diploma in mechanical engineering. And for the postcode of CPCL 05 Junior Engineer Assistant in Electrical, 3 years diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics from recognized university with 60% of marks for general OBC EWS category and 55% of marks for SC category and PWD category. So minimum 2 years relevant experience is required in the electrical domain, that is transformers, generators, high tension 6.6 kV above and low tension 415 switchgear control. These are all the experience in the relevant field is required in order to apply for the post of CPCL 05 postcode. Now for the post of CPCL 06, that is Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee, the qualification required is 3-year diploma, but no experience is required in the relevant field. So the diploma candidates can apply for this. If you don't have any experience, you can apply for this Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee. And same is the criteria for different vacancies in different departments as well. Junior Engineer Assistant, the postcode is CPCL 07 Junior Engineer Assistant. 3-year diploma is qualification required and 2 years experience in the relevant field required. And for the postcode of CPCL 08, the qualification required, that is 3-year diploma. This is a post of Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee, so no experience is required. And for the postcode of CPCL 09 Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee, 3-year diploma is required, so no experience is required. For all the postcode of CPCL 09 and CPCL 10, these are all Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee in mechanical stream, Junior Engineer Assistant Trainee in electrical stream, but the qualification required is 3-year diploma in either mechanical engineering and for mechanical stream and electrical engineering for electrical stream with 60% of marks, and also for general OBC and EWS category 60% and 55% of marks for SC and PWD candidates. And junior technical assistant, minimum 2 years qualification is required. CPCL 11 is a post qualification junior technical assistant in the fire and safety, 10+2 metric plus sub officers course from Nagpur, that is NFSC, and also minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in fire safety set involving handling of firefighting equipment, fire water network related communication systems. So this is all the experience required, or a diploma in industrial safety certificate is required. So junior technical assistant in fire safety, that is for this post junior technical assistant, there is no experience required, but the qualification is ITI with a NAC, heavy vehicle driving license. So this is for the post of CPCL 12. So these are the different vacancies in CPCL, and also different qualifications required. For some post there is experience required, and so physical, in addition to the online test, the candidate will have to undergo the physical test for different posts like CPCL 11 and CPCL 12, that is in the Department of Fire and Safety. A physical test here, this is a qualification required: height minimum 165, weight 50, chest minimum normal 81, expanded 86.5. So endurance test, you need to run for 1.6 kilometers in 6 minutes, and the load carrying test is also there, running a distance of 100 meters with a dummy load of 30 kgs within the 30 seconds, and vertical rope climbing rope using hands and feet up to 4 meters. So this is the qualification required, and the emoluments or the pay scale for this is 25,000 to 1,05,000. This is the basic pay. So this is the excellent opportunity for those who are interested, and those who have the qualification can apply. The link will be given in the description. So the application fee is rupees 1,000. So general EWS candidates are required to pay a non-refundable fee of rupees 1,000, and SC, ST, PWD women candidates are exempted from paying any application fee. So in order to apply for this one, you need to go to official site. The link will be given in the description. CPCL, and then you need to go to careers page, and then you need to click on the apply now for this vacancies advertisement number. Just click on and fill in all your details like application name and requisite qualification. You need to upload your photograph, upload your signature. You belong to any category, you need to upload your category certificate as well, and all the requisite document. And last date to apply for this one is 14/4/2022. So closing date of online application is 14/4/2022, and last date to deposit online payment is 13/4/2022. So tentative date of online test is also given, it is 8/5/2022. So the links for this will be given in the description, please to check it. And this is regarding the CPCL Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited recruitment for various vacancies, junior engineer assistant as well as junior engineer assistant training. The salary is varying from 25,000 to 1 lakh. It depends on the place of posting as well. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to have a look into the latest job update playlist so that you will be having an edge of what are the recent notifications out there. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.